Hey, this is Roz, and you're about to watch a video on pixel art. And I'm gonna make a new layer and call this enemy. Um, and for the enemy, I'm gonna make like this gooey thing. Like it looks like a blob balloon thing that goes on the ground. Uh, this is inspiration from a few games that I won't mention. um, but yeah, so this character is gonna be angrier by default. So I'm gonna put some eyebrows on them, just to make him look like they're the evil person, uh, or not person, monster. So I'm also gonna go wider with this. So I'm thinking like um, something like that. Let's see. Um, so look, right now, just for context, what I'm trying to do is trying to figure out this silhouette before I uh, go do any of the detailing. Yeah, so I kind of want to make it look like it's a little aerodynamic, but it's dragging itself on the floor. Um, let's see, what does this look like? No, it doesn't look. It looks like a little bit like it's floating almost. Um, so I think this tail is bothering me right now. I'm gonna crop that. Okay, that's kind of more like it. I'm gonna take this black and let's see, give it some eyes. Like maybe really close to each other, but then kind of make it look angry. I think I want to move the eyes slightly. Let's see if I make the eyebrows like that. Oh yeah, that looks angry already. Nope, too far. Yeah. And what if I give a little frowny face? Yes, great. That actually looks kind of adorable, but in an angry way. Um, I think, not in motion, this looks slightly weird. But, yeah, I'm not convinced what to do here with the tail. But I kind of like this. I wonder if let's see, if I make a... No, that just looks weird. Like one hole? Nope. I think this will do for now. I'll figure out the tail a little bit in animation. Maybe, see, this is what I was talking about earlier. This is more complex because right now it's erasing with transparency, and I don't want to explain that right now. So I'm just gonna crop this again. Take a look at it, and let's see what it would look like if I just round that off. Okay, yeah, I'll stick with this for now, just because it kind of looks like, it's a circle up until here, and then you kind of see the back a little bit of the blob, or sorry, a sphere, and then you see the black of the blob. So I'll stop at this, and I'm gonna save this again. And what I haven't done, I just realized, on any of these is put the black background. and that was mostly on accident, but it will be useful if I try to color any of this in Unity. So, again, I kind of keep going since I don't have a plan here. I keep going back on my word. I'm gonna leave these with the black background baked into them, and for these, I'm not going to bake that black background. And if you see, actually, this layer has a bit of how I painted on top of it, has a bit of black lines in them, so I'll just clean that up a little bit. Remove, because this is not really part of the character. This was supposed to be just me erasing. However, I'll leave, if you'll see the background, I'll leave this dot and this dot because this is part of like the self-occlusion. So there's a bit of a trick there. And kind of same thing here. I'm gonna delete this one because this is not part of the character. Wrong layer. But I'm not gonna delete the eyes or anything like that because that's part of the character. And for the spikes, I'll just leave them completely white and on a separate layer. I'm gonna export these and probably color them differently in Photoshop and in Unity, so that'll be interesting. But yeah, this looks good. This looks good as well, and that's my background. So I'll just leave my character active, and I'll quickly kind of show you. So I'll save this. This is pretty much the end of the lesson, the end of the tutorial for today. And next time we'll be exporting all of this and, well, first setting up a Unity project, and then exporting all of these, and then opening them in Unity and setting them up as they should be set up and using them. But just to kind of show a bit ahead of what this will look like. Hey, if you enjoyed the content, leave a message below, like, and subscribe.